Double DD. And thank you. And naka 4 star nga, 4 star. Gusto ko 4 star. Nagising pa ako ng umaga para mag-live. Mamad, I just I wake up so early. Kahit ikaw na lang po. Palag. Bigyan mo ako ng kiss me. Sige. Itong ina mo, ipis. Napalang sa'yo. Hindi. Do you dance? I-challenge? You challenge me? You need to drop the summer, this one. I'm gonna dance for you. Hayop ka. Can I get a kiss with you? Hindi pwede. Pagmamahal ko naman ito. Bagsak ka mo ng talagang buhay. Huwag kang mag-English. Bakit di mo naintindihan? Sorry ka. Walang kakausap sa'yo. Dun, 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 dun. I love it. Hello. You gotta be and now it's over. Saan ko ba ito nilagay? Over. Tonight is Peter. Girl, yeah. Can you kiss? No, I'm not. Not gonna kiss. Ito yung nakuha ko sa pagi. I'm gonna put it here. Why you don't want me? You don't kiss. Because you're not not toothbrush. Yes. What is game? Laro. Laro ka ba?